Welcome to the Introduction to UX Design course. Ready to transform digital experiences? In this video, we'll give you a full overview of what this course offers and how it will kickstart your career in user experience design. So what exactly is UX design? It's about creating products that are meaningful, useful, and delightful for the user. Why does UX design matter today? Great UX is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for business success and user satisfaction in the digital world. Let's dive into the course overview. What will you be learning and achieving? We will cover essential topics like UX fundamentals, the design thinking process, and crucial prototyping skills to build your expertise. By the end of this course, you will have a strong portfolio, master industry standard tools, and be ready to launch your UX design career. The foundation of great design lies in understanding core UX concepts. We emphasize user-centric design principles, meaning the user is at the heart of every design decision we make. You'll learn the design thinking process, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. This framework ensures innovative and effective solutions. Developing practical skills is key to becoming a proficient UX designer. We'll teach you to create effective wireframes and interactive prototypes, turning concepts into tangible designs. Master user research and testing methods to gather valuable feedback and iterate your designs based on real-world user interactions. Ready to take the plunge? Here are your next steps. Getting started is easy. Find the course link in the description below and enroll today to begin your UX journey. Don't forget to join our vibrant community for extra resources, peer support, and ongoing learning opportunities.